Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clone your Windows installation from one SSD to another SSD. Probably you're upgrading the size of your SSD and you don't want to lose the files you have already. This is the right video for you. Just stay tuned and enjoy. Today to assist me with this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Sabrent USB-C tool-free enclosure. So I said it's made by Sabrent. It's one of the best tool-free USB-C enclosures on the market. It actually got a really decent value. It's retails for about the same price as the others as you find on Amazon. But the amazing thing about this SSD is that it supports both SATA and NVMe SSDs, which is quite rare from what I've seen on Amazon. So that is pretty decent, I have to say. And for the SSD, I'm going to be using an Acer FA100. They are not easy to find on Amazon. I have to say I found it by mistake, but I have to say it has some pretty decent value. It has a maximum sequential writing speed of 2700 megabits per second and a maximum sequential reading speed of 3300 megabits per second. These are Gen 3 SSDs, they're not Gen 4s. So, but it offers some pretty decent speed for the price, I have to say, which is quite awesome. So let's waste no time. Let's get into the purpose why you guys are here, just to show you guys how to clone your SSD. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Acronis, and the particular version of the Acronis that I'm using only works with Sabrent SSDs or enclosure. So if you want to follow up with this tutorial, you have to get a Sabrent SSD or a Sabrent enclosure. Okay, I've already got the Acronis to install, so I'm just going to search right here. Hopefully you can see my cursor. I'm going to come down to the Windows icon and click on Acronis. Okay, that's it. Got that installed. As you can see, it tells you this product edition requires at least one Sabrent drive to be connected to your system. If the Sabrent device is already connected, please verify, blah, 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 blah. What it means is that if you do not have a Sabrent drive or an enclosure, it's not going to work. So I'm going to connect my Sabrent enclosure with my Acer drive and give it a second launch. Okay, that is plugged in. Now let's make another attempt. Okay, and as you can see, it's working just fine. I'm gonna link the price of an Acronis image tool if you're not using any of the supported drives that gives you this offer for free. Okay, there are several options here. There's CloneDisk, Rescue, Media Builder, Acronis, Universal. Buy full version to unlock. Even this version is not actually the full version. Try and decide. Add new disk. Acronis Secure Zone, Acronis Device Drive Cleanser, and all tools. For today's installation, we're just going to focus on this called Clone Disk. You click on Clone Disk, it shows initializing. Obviously, go with automatic. Click Next. Right now, it says source disk. So at this particular time, you have to click the source of the drive. So this is a Acer 100, which is supposed to be the destination disk. So oftentimes people can make this mistake. So always make sure your source disk is the right disk that is highlighted. This data swordfish is my secondary drive that is inside my computer. So I'm not cloning that because it's not my boot drive. The SK-INIX is my boot drive. I'm going to click this as my source disk. It's very important to get that right. Then click next. So while this is loading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more awesome tutorials like this. So now we are on to destination disk. So now we're going to click our Acer FA100 and click next. Okay, right now it says the destination hard drive you have chosen contains some partitions that could be useful data. So what it's saying right now is that if you have any data on the hard drive that you're planning on cloning your current hard drive to, just know that those files are going to be erased. So whatever you have in your hard drive should be expendable. You don't need them anymore. So let's go on and click OK. So doing a little loading screen. So don't forget to like, subscribe to Quick Tech for more videos like this. Okay, now it says select the required cloning method to replace a disk on this machine, clone with bootable OS to use on another machine, and to use as a data disk. So I'm going to be cloning to use on this machine. You can also use on another machine. It makes it more compatible when you're switching to let's put it to when you're switching to PCs. You know, Windows has different iterations of GPUs and CPUs. So this option actually makes this clone more compatible with those versions of Windows. And I've personally tried this before. Um, and it actually worked, to be honest. I actually cloned my Windows on this particular machine right now, which is an AMD with an RTS graphics card, and I cloned this particular OS, which is Windows 11, and I switched it to my Acer, which is Windows 10, and it's an Intel i5 processor, and also a NVIDIA card. It actually worked, and which was quite amazing. So I think this stuff is really nice if you plan on cloning for another machine. But since I'm going to clone, I just want to extend this hard drive. I'm going to click on this machine. Sorry for the long talk, guys. Okay, click next. So another load screen. Don't forget to subscribe. Quick Tech. Okay, it says before and after. This tells you what's going to happen to your destination disk. So if you click proceed, and I believe the cloning will start. Locking partition C, and cloning has begun. So I'm going to wait till it calculates the actual time left, and I'm going to also start the countdown timer to see if it's accurate. And I'm going to pause this video and let you guys know how long it takes when the video is done. Okay, now it says 35 minutes or 36 minutes left. Oh, it keeps going 37 minutes, 36 minutes. So whichever it is, 37 or 36 minutes, I'm going to let you guys know at the end of this video. So that's it, guys. Like and subscribe to Quick Tech, and have a good one.